In a significant development concerning digital privacy and national security, the director of the Canadian Security Intelligence Service, CIS, David Vigneault, has issued a solemn warning regarding the potential security risks associated with the popular video-sharing app TikTok. As reported by CBC News, Vigneault has strongly advised Canadians against using TikTok, highlighting the concerning prospect that data harvested from its users could be accessible to the Chinese government. Vigneault's assertion underscores broader anxieties surrounding the reach of foreign governments into the personal data of individuals across borders, sparking profound implications for both privacy rights and national security protocols. The elucidation of this warning arrives amidst an atmosphere of heightened scrutiny surrounding TikTok's operations on a global scale. Canada, in response to escalating concerns, initiated a national security review in September, tasked with evaluating TikTok's proposed expansion within the country. Vigneault's active involvement in this review process signifies the gravity of the situation and underscores the imperative for robust assessment and strategic counsel in navigating the complexities of digital governance. Concurrently, TikTok and its parent company, ByteDance, find themselves embroiled in a legal maelstrom within the United States. In a proactive move, they have initiated legal proceedings seeking to block a recently enacted law signed by President Joe Biden. This legislation mandates ByteDance to divest TikTok's operations within the U.S. due to profound national security apprehensions. The law, signed on April 24th, sets a stringent deadline of January 19th for ByteDance to comply with the divestiture requirement, thereby avoiding the looming specter of a potential ban on TikTok in the United States. Such a ban would inevitably reverberate across TikTok's massive American user base, comprising over 170 million individuals. The stance of the White House regarding TikTok reflects a delicate balancing act between national security imperatives and the preservation of digital accessibility. While the administration unequivocally seeks to terminate Chinese-based ownership of TikTok on the grounds of safeguarding national security, it has refrained from advocating for an outright ban on the platform. This nuanced approach underscores a broader strategic imperative to mitigate security risks while safeguarding the dynamism and innovation fostered by digital platforms. The multifaceted legal and regulatory conundrum confronting TikTok underscores the exigency for comprehensive frameworks governing digital governance and international data security. As governments and regulatory bodies grapple with the intricacies of digital oversight in an increasingly interconnected world, the resolution of these legal battles and national security reviews will undoubtedly shape the contours of digital governance and international data security for years to come.